Good morning, children. Today we are learning the textual bits of lesson number 8. So here we are learning the reading bit. Write whether these sentences are true or not true. Correct the incorrect sentences in your notebook. First one. The merchants wanted Patanpali to give his money to them forever. So we have learned the story that what they were merchants want. The merchants want to know the reason why he gave his money to a common shepherd. Isn't it? The sentence which is given is wrong. So it is not true. Second one. The Buddha told the merchants a story to stop them from fighting. Yes, Buddha told them the story that not to fight among themselves. True. Now third one. When King Brahmadatta noticed the crack in the ceiling, he called his ministers to discuss the matter. No, he did not call his ministers to discuss the matter. Not true. Fourth one. The mystery of the rotten tree was solved by the carpenters. No, this was not solved by the carpenters. Not true. Fifth one. The chameleons had climbed upon the tree's back before the men with the axes had arrived. Yes, chameleons climbed on the tree, on the blossom tree's back before the men arrived. True. Sixth one. The miracle was that the blossom tree had gone rotten overnight. No, not true. Question tags we are going to learn today. What are the question tags? The words which resemble asking questions are called question tags. The question tags, we use the negative words if the statement, if the sentence is in a positive way, and we use a positive word if the statement is a negative. For example, you haven't lost your socks. Haven't. They gave not in the sentence. So you should ask, have you? We should always put a comma before a question tag. Here you can see after the completion of the sentence later, you haven't lost your socks. There we must put a question comma. If the statement is negative, you should put a positive question tag. Have you? And the question tag will be in the same sentence, and the question tag will be used in a contracted form. In the next sentence, if you could see, you have lost your socks. Have. Have is the word. So you should write haven't you. In the same way, we need to complete these bits now. B bit. Complete these sentences. First one is done for us. You come to school regularly. Here, such type of sentences where they haven't given any helping verb. So there we should use don't. If you are asking an opposite person, you should use don't, because this work should be done regularly. or the verb which will be in a continuous form, which is done on daily basis. So we use don't you. So we shall write the second one now. Neetu did not paint this picture. Did not. Did not is given in the sentence. So we should use did Neetu. Neetu means a girl. So you should not use name. Never you should use the names in a question tag. Always we use a pronoun in a question tag. Did she? Third one. The cat dash drank the milk. Hasn't it? Because cat is not a male or female, so we use it. Hasn't it? So we should write as has. They wouldn't cancel the program. Wouldn't is already given, so you should write would they. Fifth one. I dash be scolded for this. Will I? Will. So we write won't. I won't be scolded for this. Will I? Sixth one. Ankit has brought the cartoons. Dash. Has. Ankit is the name of a boy. So you should write hasn't he. Has means you should add N apostrophe T. Then write he because Ankit is a boy. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.